Hi there, and thanks for joining me. So if you're interested in options trading, you need to pay close attention. Now, Jeff Clark, who's one of the top options traders in the world, has found a really strange market that's governed by federal law 73291, which will give you a chance to double your money over and over again, sometimes in a matter of hours, even if stocks are crashing. Now, what Jeff has done, basically there's this strange federal law and market anomaly. It's created a 44-day window where Jeff can use a very specific options trading strategy to trade free stocks over and over again in order to build up a really nice sort of profit. And Jeff says here, I've personally doubled my money in just 45 minutes in our testing. And what Jeff has done, he has recorded a presentation for you where he reveals his strategy step by step for you. And he's also going to give the free stocks that he trades using this strange or this very unique strategy. And he calls this a 44-day Retirement Accelerator. So if you want to watch this presentation from Jeff Clark, where he gives you this options trading strategy, you can come to this page, which I'll link down in the description. All you need to do is click this video or click the button. Just click the button here, and it will take you straight over to the presentation that you can watch. So if you want to learn this strategy, just come to the page that I'll link in the description, click the button, come to this page, and you can watch Jeff's interview and presentation straight away, where he'll leave everything out for you. So I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.